Welcome to this guided meditation, where we will journey inward to discover a peaceful inner oasis, a sanctuary within yourself where you can rest, rejuvenate, and find clarity. Begin by finding a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let the outside world fade away as you allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. As you settle into the rhythm of your breath, imagine yourself walking along a peaceful path. This path leads you deep into a quiet, natural landscape. With each step, you feel lighter, more relaxed, and more connected to the earth beneath your feet. Notice the details around you, the texture of the path, the gentle breeze, the soft sounds of nature. Ahead of you, you see an inviting oasis, a place of stillness and beauty that feels uniquely yours. As you draw closer, you notice a calm body of water, reflecting the soft glow of the sunlight. This is your oasis, a sacred place that exists within you, always accessible when you need peace and calm. Take a moment to sit at the edge of the water. Feel the soft grass beneath you. The air here is fresh and cool, and the sound of the water gently lapping against the shore brings a deep sense of tranquility. Take a deep breath in, feeling the serenity of this place fill your lungs, and breathe out, letting go of any tension or stress. As you gaze at the water, notice how perfectly still it is. The surface is smooth, mirroring the sky above. And just like the water, you too can become calm and still. Imagine any thoughts or worries that arise being gently absorbed by the water, disappearing into its depths, leaving your mind clear and open. Now imagine you dip your fingers into the water. It is cool, refreshing, and soothing. You decide to wade in, feeling the gentle embrace of the water as it surrounds you. As you float effortlessly, allow the water to wash away any remaining stress, cleansing your body and mind. Each breath in brings fresh energy. Each breath out releases anything that no longer serves you. Spend a few moments here, floating in this peaceful oasis, knowing that this is your place of healing, restoration, and clarity. You can return to this oasis anytime you need to find balance or regain your sense of calm. When you're ready, gently return to the edge of the water, feeling refreshed and at peace. Slowly begin to rise and walk back along the path you came, knowing that you carry the calmness of your inner oasis with you wherever you go. As you walk, start to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you, the weight of your body, the rise and fall of your breath. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling fully present and grounded. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying the peace of your inner oasis into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this journey to your inner oasis today. Remember, This peaceful sanctuary is always within you, ready to offer calm and clarity whenever you need it. Take a moment to honor yourself for creating this space of tranquility.